In this video, we will show you how to change our Gmail themes. You can see our Gmail themes sometimes look like board, and we can change our themes rather than the default white theme like this. To change our theme on Gmail, just click Settings, then click See All Settings. In here, we can select theme tabs. Okay, we can set the themes, and we can pick the themes we want in here. We can also using our photo if we want, but in here let's try using this and click Save. And that's all tutorial how to change our themes on Gmail. Hope this video helpful for you.